If you're experiencing issues with Baldur's Gate 3 updates getting stuck, follow these steps to resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Restart your computer. Shut down your computer completely and then turn it back on. This can help clear any temporary issues that may be causing the update to stall. Step 2. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working. You can do this by trying to browse the web or streaming a video. If there are issues, reset your router or switch to a wired connection if possible. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam, go to your library, right-click on Baldur's Gate 3, select Properties, and then click on the Local Files tab. Choose Verify Integrity of Game Files to check for any corrupted files that may be causing the update to hang. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background, especially those that may use bandwidth or interfere with the update process, such as VPNs or download managers. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the update is still stuck after trying the above steps, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Baldur's Gate 3. This can resolve any persistent issues related to the game files or updates. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the update issue and get back to enjoying your game.